Are you planning a trip to Romania and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Romania in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. eSIM provider I recommend for Romania is Maya Mobile. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a strong pick. For Romania, the options start with 3GB for $7.19, valid for 10 days. There's also 5GB for $8.99, 10GB for $13.49, and 20GB for $18.89, each with that same 10-day validity. Heavier users can get 40GB for $29.69, and if you never want to think about limits, Maya even offers unlimited data for $25.19, still on that 10-day period. Everything is 5G ready and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick a destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved, and if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount at checkout. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I'd recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If price and longer validity matter most, Airalo's plans offer great value. For Romania, the options start with 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3GB for $9.50, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, there's 5GB for $13, 10GB for $21, and 20GB for $32, all valid for a full 30 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can even top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll see that same 10% discount automatically applied. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Romania into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Just choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll notice the 10% discount already applied on the screen, so there's no code to remember. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for short trips or high-speed data, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The plans are cheaper, the speeds are great, and setup is effortless. But if you're staying longer and want a month-long validity with smaller bundles, Airalo is an excellent alternative with easy in-app top-ups and plenty of flexibility. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Romania in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.